How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 GTO. We have the PHS documents on this car. It's a numbers matching car. It's done in Tuxedo Black. The black interior, black vinyl top. It's a clean California car. As far as we know, it's a two-owner car. The previous owner has owned it for about 25 years. Car is super slick down the sides, straight as an arrow. Tell you, a lot of this car is the original stuff. It's the original vinyl top on the car, and it's in excellent condition. The bumpers are the originals. They do show a little bit of patina, but they are the originals. A lot of the stainless trim on this car is the original, and it, tell you, really looks nice. It's not all beat up. It's all shiny and nice still. Just kind of speaks for how nice the car this is. It's numbers matched, power steering. It's got power brakes, updated with disc brakes in the front. It's got your factory AC, and the heavy duty cooling system. It's got the posi rear. It's got the 400 turbo trans. Tell you, it's just a super nice car. Real nice survivor car. See, the doors all look real nice. The jams look good on the car. The car originally was a dark silver. Gentleman wanted it painted black. A lot of the interior is the original, and it's in excellent condition. It's got the original wood wheel, 3-spoke, no cracks in it. It's got the his and her shifter. See, the jams are real nice. This is all original body panels, original floors, everything on this car. Super solid car. You can see we have a ram air pan and the scoop. If you want to put the ram air on the car, the trunk floor looks real nice. Got the car cover, jack, spare. Tell you, it's just a super nice car. Car drives out beautifully. Get in this car, go to any show, any cruise you want, drive it, enjoy it. It's got the mirror and the visor. Got the factory AM radio, AM FM radio in it. It works. It's hard to get a station, but it does turn on. Got the deluxe seat belts. Headliner's really nice in the car. Again, we have the PHS documents on this car. Super nice car, guys. You want a nice, solid, clean car. Car originally was out of California. It's a California built car. Fires right up. Still got the T3 headlights. Got a nice dual exhaust all the way out the back. Sounds good. Hurst lights, everything works. Tell you, it's just a super nice car. It's hard to find these true GTOs, numbers match. As clean as this car is. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Just now getting into our new facility. Again, you can check out our inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.